So the baby owls are trying to fly the coop, and we've seen this happen before. They do some bad acrobatics and get themselves stuck in some weird places. So we've got one that's stuck down in between the walls of our barn and the paneling on the side. So plan A is to take this stick, put it down in there, and allow the owl to climb up and climb out itself and off to freedom. So we'll see how it goes. We came out to this morning, and anyway, they're weird, they're goofy. All the way back in the corner. Tilt to your left.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so I'm gonna place the big tree limb down in here. It's in a secure place. Hopefully it will kind of climb out and fly away. So we'll see what happens. I picked a nice twisted one, so it should be able to climb out easily, and we won't be able to get it back out. Okay. It's in place, so now we just have to wait. It's in a good position, but it flared up, was a little frightened of what was coming down at it, so we'll see if this does the trick. Okay, so I have come back out to take a look. It's maybe only been an hour since we last left it, and I just wanted to see if there's any progress, see if it's still down in there. I'm pretty sure it is. We will basically leave it to itself for the rest of the day, and we're going to be gone. So when we come out to do our chores this evening, we'll take a look and we'll help it out if we need to. We'll see if it can do it on its own, but if not, we'll make sure it gets out this evening. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look. Okay, once again, I can't really see anything to know. I'll have to play back the video basically to watch it and see what's going on. But the stick that we put in is long enough for it to climb all the way up and get itself out. So I have a funny story. I know this works because I have tried it before in another situation. So it probably just needs some calm and quietness and probably needs a few hours by itself. Okay, check back later.
So I just got home from work today and we're gonna go check and see if the owl is back there still back inside the barn, and the dogs are dying to eat here, so let's go feed them and we'll check on the owl at the same time. All right, here we go. I don't see the owl anywhere. So we'll stick the camera back in here. It's not in that one. I don't see anything. Okay, so you probably saw that the owl was not in there. I stuck my head in there and it looks like the owl got out, so that's awesome news. Isn't that right? Is that an awesome? Is that awesome? You guys ready to eat? All right. All right, I was just getting ready to feed the dogs and I was looking around the barn because what's happened in the past is the owls will kind of stay in the barn here for a few days and kind of stretch their wings. And hi boys and girl. And so if you can see over here in the dark corner, there's the owl right there. She's sitting, she is sitting up on the light. And I don't want to get too close because if I do, he'll probably try to fly off. And if you've never seen an owl try to fly for the first time, it's pretty comical because they are not very good at first, which is crazy because they are such good flyers after they get going. So I'm gonna try and take a picture here, or I'll take a couple steps forward and see what we can get. But it's really dark there in that corner. Here, I'll take a picture and then I'll superimpose it on the video. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I just turned a few lights towards the way of the owl, and she's looking right at us. We're probably about 25 feet away, and I don't want to get any closer because I don't want her to fly off. But yep, oh man, that's cool. Wendy's gonna be so mad she's not here. She's working tonight. That's very cool. Yep, and then that's where she came from right there. And I think there's another one up in there. We think anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you again on Chick-a-Woof Ranch.